Part of the vision in Trinity County, where much of the forest work was stopped, was to start at places working with the collaborative where they had consensus. They have consensus on, as an example, shaded fuel breaks along our road system. And we have thousands of miles of roads on the National Forest system out there. And so when we have consensus there, that's a good starting place.
Their vision was to programmatically work on all of the major road systems within the county to create shaded fuel breaks anywhere possible. And they figured that looks something like 3,000 miles of roads and somewhere north of 30,000 acres of thinning along those road systems.
You know, what I'd say there is I think there's broad agreement within the collaborative on some projects, particularly a roadside shaded fuel break project that would take advantage of old logging road infrastructure and create shaded fuel breaks that would be of great assistance in fighting fires and also suppressing them.
I think it's a success story in that the collaborative group was able to grapple with issues around fire salvage that are often really sticky and come to pretty major and scalable agreement around, what the Forest Service ought to just do.
Large forest fires and their impact have a way of bringing people together. So I think, on both extremes of the issue and everywhere in between, there's a recognition that we have to do something to manage forest fuels differently, or we're just going to burn the place down. It's not going to be good for spotted owls or fish or any other endangered species. And I think we've gotten to that point, at least in some areas, and I think we're on the verge of seeing some action.